Zebras are one of those animals you can't help but admire. Their bold black and white stripes make them stand out in the wild, yet somehow they blend perfectly into their surroundings. For years, people have debated what those iconic stripes are really for. Are they a form of camouflage? Or do they play a role in how zebras communicate with each other? The answer might be more surprising than you think. Let's start with the camouflage theory. It sounds strange at first. After all, how could black and white stripes help an animal hide in the golden grasslands of Africa? But when zebras gather in groups, their stripes create an optical illusion. Predators, like lions, have trouble distinguishing one zebra from another, making it harder for them to single out a target. When the herd moves together, the swirling pattern of stripes can make it disorienting for a predator trying to focus on just one animal. But that's not the only explanation. Some researchers believe the stripes served as a natural defense against biting insects. Studies have shown that flies, especially those that carry dangerous diseases, are less likely to land on striped surfaces. The high contrast pattern seems to confuse the insects, making it harder for them to find a spot to bite. So those stripes might actually help zebras stay healthier by reducing their risk of infection. Now, let's talk about communication. Zebras are social animals, and their stripes could help them recognize each other. Just like human fingerprints, no two zebras have the same stripe pattern. Mothers can identify their foals by their unique markings, and members of a herd can tell each other apart. Stripes might also play a role in expressing emotions. The way their skin moves under those contrasting lines can signal agitation, relaxation, or excitement. There's even a theory that stripes help regulate a zebra's body temperature. The different colors absorb and reflect heat at different rates, creating small air currents along the animal's body. This could help keep them cool under the blazing African sun. It's like wearing a natural cooling system. Pretty genius if you think about it. Despite all these theories, the truth is we still don't know for sure why zebras have stripes. It could be a combination of all these factors: camouflage, insect protection, communication, and temperature control. What we do know is that those stripes are essential to their survival and play a bigger role than just making them look cool. Zebras remind us that nature often has more layers than we realize. Their stripes aren't just a fashion statement, they're a functional, versatile adaptation that helps them thrive in the wild. And whether they're blending into a herd, avoiding pesky flies, or signaling their feelings, zebras prove that sometimes the most obvious features have the most fascinating stories.